Well, we've made it to Bowling Green, Kentucky. Isn't this beautiful? This is Fountain Square in the middle of downtown. There are shops all around. I do still see some vacant buildings, but there are also shops. This is a big city, and I do see the signs of a big city here. The median price house is $288. Lots of grocery stores, Kroger, Piggly Wiggly, Aldi, Walmart. But this park is just beautiful. A lot of different statues around the park. It says this is Flora. There's Insomnia cookies over there. And a lot of these look alike, don't they? The towns that we've been in got an old theater. That one was the Capitol. John Reap Comedy Show is coming up. Oh, look at the old Morris Jewelers sign. Let's look at a couple of the shops. There's going to be a lot here to see in the town. I'm not going to drive around and look at it. We'll just look at a few of the shops in the downtown area. A lot of restaurants, bakeries. We'll just go down one side of the street and see what we see. This would be a great place to come and sit in the day. A lot of shade. Apparently these cookies, I've seen this in one of the small towns that we were in. It says that they're open late and they also deliver late. So it must be a chain. Cookies and Cream is back for good. Let's see what they have. I went in and didn't see the cookies. He said, oh, we keep them in a warming drawer. And I said, well, how do you know what they look like? So he had pictures of them. So I just got a chocolate chunk cookie, so we'll see how it is. It's warm. I can tell it's warm. They're really good. They're better than the ones I had yesterday. That cookie I had yesterday was fair. Everything I had yesterday was fair except for the Kit Kat. But this is really good. It's chewy and warm on the inside and crunchy on the outside. On this side of the street, I see Meltdown Ice Cream and Soda Fountain. There was an old-timey men's store over there, pipe and cigar shop, couple restaurants. A lot of people out walking. See some ladies traveling together. Trust Bank here on the corner. I guess you say it that way, Trust. Couple shops here on the other side and on the side streets. There's an apothecary. It wasn't too hard to get a parking place. I think this town is too big for me to live in. I will say the one thing I do like about it, there's a lot of four-way stops. New day, new town. We're in Clarksville, Tennessee. Median price home is $307. And I know you're thinking, why are you telling us the grocery stores? Because that's what's important to me. That's what I always look at when I'm looking at a town to live in. Is Publix, Food Lion, Kroger, Walmart, all these things like that. Food Lion is an old good North Carolina grocery store. I'm glad to see it here. And I'll tell you what, downtown here, it's a little questionable. I'm not going to stay out here long. There are people working on buildings. There's a lot of buildings here closed. I did see some gorgeous architecture, but there's something I want to show you up here that you've probably seen before. There's Vince Carter from Gomer Pyle, his statue. Let's see what it says. That store's open if I need to duck in there pretty quick. Okay, this says Frank Spencer Sutton, October 23rd, 1923 to June 28th, 1974. He was an actor, a veteran, and a patriot. He was noted for Gunnery Sergeant Vince Carter in the mid-60s in the television series Gomer Pyle, USMC. You can see him now. Move it, move it, move it. He died young of a heart attack. I think it was all the screaming he had to do on the show, right? As with all downtowns, they have the old theater. There's the Roxy. A lot of construction going on. I do see a lot of homeless around, but there are people out there if need be. I think I saw a bakery, did I? Look at beautiful architecture. It says Ruffled Company Bakehouse, but it's a boutique. That's what it is. Oh, there's different sweets in there. Thrift store. That's always good, right? I'm going to see if they've got any flea markets going on this weekend around Nashville. So they're trying, rebuilding the downtown. Y'all noticing that most of these little towns look alike? Some I felt totally comfortable in, some kind of watching you back. Along the streets too here in Clarksville, then and now. This was the Woolworths. That's pretty cool. They have the different stores and what they used to be. It's an old shoe store. Now coming up, we are still in Clarksville. Look at that. But I wanted to show you this building in front of me. Look at that. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it used to be. It's a museum now. Is that amazing or what? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed Bowling Green, Kentucky and Clarksville, Tennessee. We're headed down toward the Nashville area. So I hope you've enjoyed these two beautiful towns that you'll visit sometime. And until I see you again, Jesus loves you. Bye.